Ever seen a chicken drumstick do the splits? Stick around, I'll show you how. First, grab your chicken drumsticks. With a sharp knife, carefully slice along one side of the bone. Don't cut all the way through. Open it up like a book. Boom, that's butterflying. Why do this? More crispy skin and faster cooking. Next, toss your butterflied drumsticks in your favorite marinade. Got a secret sauce? Use it. If not, a mix of olive oil, garlic, salt, and pepper works great. Let them soak up those flavors for at least 30 minutes. Now heat up that grill to medium-high. Lay your drumsticks skin side down. Grill 5-7 minutes per side, flipping once. You want juicy meat and crispy skin? Done. Serve them up, watch your friends drool, and enjoy being the BBQ hero. Grill on.